Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get your tickets in the FWC Mobile Ticket app for FIFA World Cup 2026. So if you've already purchased your tickets and want to access them, just follow along. First, open your web browser and then go to FIFA.com and sign in with the same account you used when buying your tickets. Next, download the FWC Mobile Ticket app from the App Store. After installing, open the app and log in using your FIFA account. Now go to the My Tickets section inside the app. Here you will see all your purchased tickets once they are released by FIFA. If your tickets are not showing yet, don't worry, FIFA usually releases them closer to the match day. You will also receive a notification or email when your tickets become available in the app. And once they appear, you can open each ticket to view details and the QR code for entry. So that was how to get your FIFA World Cup tickets in the FWC Mobile Ticket app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.